As the world is observing International Day of the Non-Violence today, the day holds no significance to the Kashmiris as the Indian government continues to commit war crimes in occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service in connection with the day said the oppressed people of Kashmir continue to face Indian state terrorism, violation of the human rights continue in the world's militarized zone. India's ruling Bharatiya Janata Party is facing criticism for its handling of the final phase of the sham elections in occupied Kashmir, with many calling it engineered election fiasco. Senior APHC AJK leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, in a statement issued in Islamabad, spoke out against the BJP's claim of conquering the people of occupied Kashmir, labeling it a mirage, a phantom in a deserted, slaughtered and fragmented land. All parties Hurriyat Conference has denounced India's militaristic approach to the Kashmir dispute as unrealistic and arrogant, emphasizing that a military solution cannot replace the UN granted right to self-determination, which must be exercised through the political means. APHC leader Musarrat Alam Butt, currently imprisoned in the Tihar jail, in a message called upon the world leaders to take proactive measures to address the dire human rights situation in occupied Kashmir. Ghulam Mohammad Safi, convener of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter, has commended the Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif for his outstanding address at the United Nations General Assembly session, where he passionately advocated for the rights of the Kashmiris and the Palestinians. During a visit to the Kashmir Media Service, Safi reaffirmed the Kashmiris' unwavering resolve to fight for the self-determination against India's illegal occupation.